Hey there, I'm Jeff, here to tell you how to protect your metal surfaces from wear, tear, and vandalism. Whether their canvas is the inside of an elevator, your stainless steel countertops, or the metal paneling along an escalator or staircase, people get really creative with coins, keys, markers, and spray paint. Unfortunately, that creativity costs business and property owners like you thousands of dollars each year, not to mention the time it costs for repair. Take elevators, for instance. Replacing damaged surfaces means paying to have the elevator decommissioned for several hours, paying to have the surfaces repaired or replaced, and paying yet again to have the elevator recommissioned, only to repeat that process in a year's time. Even if you are somehow able to rid vandals of their creative urges, you're still left with the natural wear and tear your property is exposed to. So what's the solution? Try Metal Shield, a film that simultaneously repairs and protects your property by mimicking the surfaces it's applied to. Metal Shield has a quick and easy installation process, and it protects your metal surfaces from vandalism and natural wear and tear. Should your films experience any damage, however, they can be peeled away and easily and inexpensively be replaced. No costly commissioning, no lengthy repairs. That's how you protect your metal surfaces from wear, tear, and vandalism.